Violence against children remains a major concern. More than half of boys and nearly 1/3 of girls experience physical abuse, often from adults who are meant to guide and protect them. In many schools, corporal punishment is still used, creating fear instead of learning. We need stronger support systems, teacher training, and safe reporting pathways to ensure that all children can learn without fear. Poverty is another barrier that keeps children out of classrooms. Many families cannot afford uniforms, transport, or basic school materials. Some children leave schools to herd animals or work in fields to support their families. This is why only 33% of children complete lower secondary, 14% make it to upper secondary, and fewer make it to higher institutions of learning. Many futures are being cut short. Overcrowded classrooms, lack of textbooks, and limited support for children with disabilities makes learning even harder. We call for strong policies and investments that protect every child's dignity and future.